Okay, today we want to add two three-digit numbers. And we know that we're going, so that we have the number 348 and we want to add it to 427. We know that 348 is our first and 427 is our second because we're adding those two numbers. The numbers that we are adding are called add-ins. And we have an add-in plus an add-in equals the sum. Yes, the sum is the answer when we have an addition problem. Exactly. Come on up here and do the writing for us. Here we go. When we are getting ready to add to do an addition problem, the first thing we need to do is put our yes, we need to put our place value chart in. Because these are three-digit numbers, what's our place value chart going to be? Thank you. Hundreds, tens, and ones. That H stands for hundreds, the T for tens, the O for ones. And now we know we're going to start in the ones place. Beautiful. What does it say in the ones place? 8 plus 7 equals 15. 15 is a two-digit number. We can't put both of them down there. And so the only number we can put down there, what's the value of that 15? 1. So what number can go down here in the ones place? 5 ones, absolutely. And then we need to take that 10 and put it where it goes. It goes in the it goes in the tens place because it means 1 10 and 5 ones. It goes in the tens place. So now in the tens place we have 4 plus 2 equals 6. And one more 10 is 7. And we have 7 tens. What's the value of 7 tens? 70. Absolutely. Now we're ready to go to the hundreds place. Absolutely. What do we have in the hundreds place? 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 equals? 7. Beautiful. So the sum of 348 and 427 is? 775. Beautiful, 775. Thank you, ma'am. Now, we want to check with the opposite operation. The opposite operation of addition is? Subtraction. Absolutely. And so now we want to look at how we would do a three-digit subtraction problem. Come on up, and I'm going to let you start that for us. When we start when we check with subtraction, we know we have to start with the sum or the whole. Exactly, the sum or the whole. So start with our sum or our whole, and that would be the 775. Then we're going to subtract. I want to subtract the add-in that was closest to it, and that's what number, everybody? 427. You could do the other one. It doesn't matter. It just makes it easier for us when we're checking to do the one closest. So now we need to start by starting off by putting our what? Absolutely. Three-digit number, so we need 100. Beautiful. And here we go. So now we have a subtraction problem. We have 775 minus 427. That 775 is called the minuend. And we're going to subtract the subtrahend. And the minuend minus the subtrahend, we get the difference. Beautiful. Now we're trying to find the difference. And our difference should be what number? 348. Let's check it and see. It should be 348. We're going to start in the ones place. In the ones place we have 5. We want to subtract 7. If I have 5, can I subtract 7? No. So we have to do what? Go to the more. Absolutely. We've got to go next door and get 10 more. So if I go next door and get 10 more, if I had 7 tens and I take one, I get 1. Now I only have 6. I take that 10. I've traded that 10 for 10 units. So now I have 10 units plus 5 units. So now how many ones do I have? 15. Yes, we have just regrouped or made a trade. So now in the ones place we have what?
15 minus 7.
And 15 minus 7 equals?
8.
Beautiful. Now we're ready to go to the tens place. And now since we regrouped, we had 7 tens, but now we only have 6. So in the tens place, what do we have?
6 minus 2.
6 minus 2 equals?
4.
Beautiful. Now we're ready to go to the
100 place.
what do we have in the hundreds?
7 minus 4
Equals?
3.
Did we get the same add-in?
Yes.
It's our beginning add-in. Yes, we did. So we know that our answer must be correct. That is what we have to do in order to add 3-digit numbers and subtract 3-digit numbers.